Wikipedia states that an atom is a basic unit of matter comprising of a dense central nucleus surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. But wouldn't you like to know more about these? Well, this video will do just that, so let's cut to a fancy diagram. One of the first things you will see in this diagram of an atom is some small little spheres whizzing around the outside of it. These are known as negatively charged electrons. In the centre of all these electrons is a dense central nucleus. The atomic nucleus contains a mix of positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons, except in the case of hydrogen. Electrons are arranged in different shells around the nucleus. The innermost shell, or lowest energy level, is filled first. Each succeeding shell can only hold a certain number of electrons before it becomes full. The innermost shell can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, the second shell a maximum of 8, and so on. This table gives the maximum capacity of the first 3 shells. Remember, the number of electrons is the same as the atomic number. A lithium atom, for example, has 3 electrons. 2 are in the first energy level and 1 in the second. A magnesium atom has 12 electrons, 2 are in the first energy level, 8 in the second, and 2 in the third. The pattern continues like this until you get to some very complicated diagrams. Did you know that the name atom comes from the Greek atmos, which means uncuttable, undivisible, or something that cannot be divided further? Well, here's some more facts that you may have not known. Did you know that the mass of the proton is about 1,840 times the mass of the electron and slightly less the mass of the neutron? Adding or removing protons from the nucleus of an atom creates a different element. For example, removing 1 proton from an atom of oxygen creates a nitrogen atom. Did you know the neutron was discovered in 1932 by the English physicist James Chadwick? And only the hydrogen nucleus has no neutron. All other atoms have 1 or more. How intriguing. Facts on electrons now. Electrons are 1,836 times as small as protons and have a mass of just 9.109 times 10 to the power of 31 kilograms. That means there are 30 zeros after the decimal point, so they weigh almost nothing. In a normal atom, there are the same number of electrons as protons. The more energetic an electron, the farther from the nucleus it is. Now they were some interesting facts. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something about atoms today. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.